Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Editor to fix your photos on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enter the Photos app. So we want to enter the photos. Now as you guys can see, let me go back to the main page. Here we have the photo that we want to edit for an example. So we can choose a lot of photos. Also, we can just go over and use this photo, for example. This is one of the best examples I can do. Here we're gonna click edit, and once we click edit, what we can do is we can just go over and do it with AI. So you can go to actions, and here you can go to magic eraser. As you guys can see, it is loading up, and soon we could be able to just tap, circle, or brush to erase. So I want to erase this part right here. Now once I select it, it will try and remove it. So this is one of the best features if you want to make your photos look more aesthetic. As you guys can see, now it's selected everything. We're gonna go and click on erase. As you guys can see, it's doing its job now, so we shouldn't be interrupting it. And as you guys can see, this is the effect. Now we got rid of the keyboard and the microfiber cloth. We can click and save the picture. As you guys can see, we can also refill that background, but now we're just deleting it completely. So as you guys can see, this is how the picture look like now. So I'm really sure that this is the best you can do here. And of course, AI enhance, it will enhance your pictures automatically, as you guys can see. And we can save it as a copy, or we can save it normally. Now I would recommend saving it as a copy, so you have two pictures. As you guys can see, here we can keep this and delete rest. For an example, here we have our AI made version, and it looks really good. So now we fixed that photo, it looks much better, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.